After performing regular maintenance on any modern Porsche, you'll want to reset the service reminder indicator in the instrument panel. Today I'm going to show you how to perform the reset on this 2018 Macan. Tap Diagnostic. Tap Euro. Tap Porsche. Tap Service Function. Confirm the vehicle has been correctly identified. Tap Quick Service. Tap Service Reset. The following three choices will appear: Main Maintenance Reset, Intermediate Maintenance Reset, Oil Change Reset. Select the appropriate reset for the service you've performed. In this example, intermediate maintenance is due and has been performed. Tap Intermediate Maintenance Reset. You will receive a message stating the reset is successful. Press Enter to continue. Check out our other videos for more technical tips and procedures for Porsche vehicles.